Okay, linking theory and research, and here we look at the role of research. There is a continuous kind of interaction between theory and research, and as part of this interaction, theory stimulates research and research stimulates theory. So as an outcome of research is something which is verified. We might call this verified kind of thing as a fact. Therefore, instead of research, I'll use the word fact. Now, these facts initiate theory. So during research, maybe we come up facts, some new evidence. Now, that new evidence, that new fact has to be elaborated, has to be explained, and for this explanation, we make use of the logic, and that explanation is actually theory. So, new facts might require new understanding, new explanation. Therefore, it may be said that the facts generate theories, and new facts might generate new theories. So, therefore, these facts might initiate the emergence of a new theory. Secondly, the facts lead to rejection and reformulation of the existing theory. So, theories are created by the human beings, and anything which is created by the human beings may not be final. Therefore, theories are challenged, and when they are challenged, maybe new evidence comes, and this new evidence may be reinforcing the existing theory, or this new evidence might, let's say, kill the beautiful theory which might be there. Therefore, I would say the facts can reject the existing theory and come up with a new theory, or these facts might reinforce the existing theory, or these facts might reformulate the existing theory. So traditional theories are there. For example, human behavior, people have been talking in the past that human behavior is something which is genetically determined. Well, the new evidence is there, whereby the researchers, the theorists say that the behavior is not necessarily determined by the blood, by the genes. Behavior might be an outcome of the environment, how that environment makes a person behave in a certain way. And in that way, behavior is a learned kind of thing rather than considered something which is biologically determined. So that theory is, I think, changed. Now, thirdly, facts redefine and clarify the theory. New facts might redefine and clarify the existing theory. Just like urban fertility is lower than the rural fertility, does it mean that when the rural people migrate to the urban areas, their fertility also goes down? And if it goes down, is it, let's say, with the same speed or in the same way as those who have already been living in the urban areas, or is it in a different way? And thirdly, facts redefine and clarify the theory. So I would like to continue with that, the example of rural to urban. Now, definitely urban society, it has been seen that in urban society, the fertility goes down. Then, if the rural migrants are there, do they follow the same kind of, let's say, trend with respect to the decline in the fertility? Or is their decline different than the population which is already there? So do the new migrants in cities have lower fertility than the old migrants? So maybe if that kind of thing is there, it may lead to redefining the theory of change in the fertility of rural and urban people with respect to the migration process. So these are, I think, this is how the research contributes to theory, and theory contributes to research.